A weather authority alert day is in effect for tomorrow, Tuesday, January 9th, due to the threat for some heavy rainfall, which could then lead to some localized flooding, as well as the potential for some flash flooding. We'll also have some really windy conditions, which could also lead to some power outages. Now, we're tracking low pressure that is really starting to develop. We're starting to see frontogenesis occur on radar early on this morning. Just have a look at the time lapse behind me. By about 4 a.m., we'll start to see some showers pop up in North Texas and in Oklahoma. That is the beginning of low pressure that is starting to develop, and it's going to push further and further towards the south and east throughout the day and continue to pick up some Gulf Coast moisture. Now, here's Future Tracker showing just that. Now, the front, or the warm front rather, comes into play on Tuesday morning. Today, we're going to be dealing with high pressure that starts to build out. But Tuesday morning, we'll see a brief wintry mix early on. Then we'll see some rain, followed by some really heavy rain, which could again lead to some localized flooding. And then on the backside, we'll see winds pick up, and we'll likely see some mountain snow across some of the west-facing slopes. Now, the severe weather outlook for today: an enhanced risk for parts of the Gulf Coast, expanding from about Panama City all the way out to the middle parts of Louisiana, and it extends all the way up to about Jackson, Mississippi as well. And then going into tomorrow, this threat sort of pushes towards the east, and it includes the majority of the southeast. I'm talking anywhere from Pensacola all the way down to almost Tampa and all the way up to the Outer Banks. This is a big area that we're going to be watching throughout tomorrow. Now, this threat doesn't really include parts of our areas, but we'll likely see some thunderstorms start to develop and get close to our area. So we'll watch that as we go into tomorrow and we watch the severe risk. The flood risk, on the other hand, we're watching high areas off to our north and east, which includes parts of D.C., and then way down to our south, we're also watching a high area that could see some flood risk. And then going into tomorrow, our risk is all in yellow and medium chance, because we could see rainfall estimates near 1 to 3 inches in most spots, possibly even more across parts of Lynchburg and south side. I really think that's the target area for lots of the heavy rain. Here's a look at this evening, though. Going into about midnight, some clouds start to build in. The wintry mix moves in by about 3 a.m. and starts to wrap up by about 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Then we'll see some periods of some really heavy rain start to move in. We see pockets of yellows, oranges, and reds following into about 2 p.m. By 4, a lot of the activity starts to push off towards the east, and then we'll follow that up with a couple of sprinkles here and there. Tomorrow's wind speed is going to be all over the place, sustained about 15 to 20 miles per hour, then gusting anywhere from about 25 to 40 miles per hour. And then on Wednesday, once our skies start to clear out and the sun comes out, then winds really start to pick up anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. As of this morning, though, clear skies, calm conditions, temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. That's how we'll stay for the next couple of hours as daytime high temperatures get up into the mid to upper 40s. And our average high for this time of year right around 47. Today's forecast high about 48 degrees, so right on par for where we should be.